guys, welcome back to part 2 of nature.
Basically.
Alright, there's a cactus right here.
Hey,
a cactus.
hey.
Oh, yeah.
You forgot to introduce me.
Oh, sorry. I got my friend. I got my brother. Green Venom Star.
Yeah.
And we're out here in the plains.
Yep.
Well,
Not
yeah.
planes, but
Well,
from
like
the
yeah.
house.
Yeah. So there is a cactus right here. Long cactus. Oh god, I think I got bit by an ant.
Oh,
God.
that sucks. But there's some raspberries.
But I'm gonna use this to show you all the oranges.
Yeah,
All this is
Oh,
oranges.
there's some oranges up there. Yeah, there.
Oh, these are not ripe.
Yeah.
These ain't ripe.
Like in the summer, they grow.
I like the top. Ow,
Guys,
freaking sun. But there's some ripe ones to the top. I believe there's banana spiders. If you see bananas.
We are sure those are not ones because when we moved here, there was oranges on that tree.
Yeah, we just picked oranges.
Guys, when it's
Oh
summer,
my God.
your oranges, when you
Oh.
pick oranges in the summer,
All right.
they are ripe. So,
All right, guys, I see some oranges. Let's
Oh.
go over here.
Well,
Oh, I see.
are they ripe?
The freaking sun is in my way.
I'm gonna go get some raspberries.
All right, you guys go get hey guys, I'm gonna get some oranges. My brother's going to get some raspberries, aka Green Venom Star. God, why is there so much freaking? Guys, if we had a ladder, we could have gone up there. And I ate a ton of raspberries. I ate ton. It's really hot out here. I'm wearing a jacket. It's kind of cold out here, so. But, dang. Ooh, is that orange? Got it. Oh. Aw, man. I want to do the old-fashioned way, like. Yeah? Can't? Maybe we ran out.
I checked yesterday.
Oh!
You better be
Ooh!
I think I know how we
Guys.
don't have no more raspberries.
Oh!
Because someone
Guys, look
took
at
the
that.
raspberry. Somebody took a raspberry.
This is an orange that is not ripe, but the orange ones of these, that's a lot more bigger than this one,
More juicier.
and more juicier and more riper.
Wait, give me that real quick.
Okay. Really, Rose? Okay, let's go in the back.
Yeah. I thought there was some raspberries before in the house. This is creepy.
And there was a car like going this way. And you could, guys, oh, I just seen a snake. It just like went across.
Oh, prickles.
Prickles! Ow! God. Oh man, I could have brought the stick. Guys, I'm gonna get the stick. Whew.
I'm gonna go in the house real quick,
Alright, guys.
okay?
Alright, guys, we're going.
I'm gonna go in the house.
Alright, guys. Guys, we're going to right here near the bricks. So, lucky day today, huh? I think we just stepped in an ant pile. I don't know. But, all I gotta say is, thank you guys for like doing stuff. Oh, here comes Venom Slider up. Hi. The prickles.
Oh my, actually somewhere in here.
Alright, guys, I still have this on me. Let's go. See, guys, you see that? That's
Go, guys.
But I believe I just seen a snake just went across very fast. I think it was a black racer or a garden snake. It's between those guys.
Was it tan?
Yeah, it was tan.
Yeah, that's a garden snake.
Oh! Got a lizard, guys. Got a lizard.
Is it over there?
Yeah, a lizard. He was trying to find something. Okay, okay. He went in there. It's gone. There's a lot of frogs. Okay, let's split up. You go that way. I go this way.
Yeah. You go find some. Ooh, there's some raspberries here.
Oh, how did we not see this? This is golden rich, guys. You see this one right here?
Guys,
That's not
Hey,
right.
do you want to go raspberry picking with our mom and dad? Not mom, well.
Technically, Mom. Yeah. Oh. There's...
Want to take that one off?
No, you see that insect right there? Those are bad freaking bugs, guys.
Hey,
Oh, he's gone.
Hey.
Yeah.
Do you want me to pick one?
Look at that one.
School? Looks like she has kids.
Looks like that.
Give me that.
Yeah,
Give me
guys.
that. Let's go give it to
I
my mom.
ate one. Oh, God, man.
Oh my god.
It's wet. It's wet, guys. It's wet. It's wet.